This is the spring that had been captured to serve and to supply the cistern down below, which is a distribution point for the water. And the rain came down here, washed out this ravine, and washed out part of this underneath of it, so that the water is part of the spring is coming under the cistern, and then broke out the pipe on down below. So what we're looking to do is to replace the pipe and eventually to repair this so that we can get a better water supply. So see, there's another branch of the spring right over here. And this was captured so that they could run the water down below and distribute it to the town.
An area where the primary distribution line, a 4-inch plastic pipe, has actually been damaged from the movement of the rocks in this area. So the plan would be to dig out around here and actually repair this broken area of this pipe.
This is the cistern that will collect the water coming from down in the spring through a 4-inch pipe, and once it collects it here, then it'll be distributed through pipe to 2-inch pipe that's running to my left here and on down into the valley toward the town. In excess of 20,000 gallons.
And how many people can that serve?
Well, it'll serve the whole community because it's a continual flow from the ravine, so there are probably about 15 to 18,000 people in this community that will be benefited by the water.
The area that we're looking at here is a 2-inch pipe that has been damaged that was crossing this ravine.
Yes, yeah, across this ravine. The ravine was washed out and washed the pipe away that crossed here. So we're going to put galvanized pipe across here and then build piers to support it. And there are actually 4 ravines like this that we have to cross.
There's 4 ravines that need to be bridged?
Yes. Yeah, this is the largest, but there are 4 that we have to bridge. There are 4 distribution points like this. I'm Tom Brumley, and this is Pastor Wisner Noel, and we're in the schoolyard of school and churchyard of Arnoux, which is about 60 miles south of Port-au-Prince. Il m'a dit ça au pyramide ici avec Timonio chaque jour.
Avec Timonio là?
Oui.
Bon, nous aimons nous enseigner la Bible, nous très aimons ça.
We like teaching in the Bible.
Et puis nous aimons tout façon nous aider puis apprendre l'école tout.
And the way that we can help them by learning in school. Qui sauve réparation des projets de loi a fait pour communauté?
Bon, pour communauté, c'est une belle réussite parce qu'actuellement il y a un pile problème pour de l'eau.
It would be a big blessing because there's a lot of difficulty in getting good drinking water.
Il y a aller très loin puis qu'à venir de l'eau bio boire.
In order to get water that's drinkable, they have to go long distances to haul. A lot of times they'll carry it on their heads with a bucket, or else maybe on an animal in a gallon. Mandisi assez moun qui prie pour travailler pour faire réhabiter de l'eau.
Oui, parce qu'il y a plus de monde qui prie pour ça.
Yeah, there's a lot of people that are really ready and willing to contribute to working to get the water up and running again. Comme pasteur, qui sao da reme pasteur lot boyo kone pour yo cabe aider et puis non prier puis l'autre bagaille ici qui ça ouais qui est nécessaire que tu as besoin.
Ok. D'après moi, t'as aidé me prier pour nous et dans l'évangélisation pour nous réussir zone là.
We want them first of all to pray that God will help us to be victorious in evangelizing the area.
Et puis tout d'après moi, t'as aidé nous tout dans plan nous gain pour aider tout monde zone là avancer et au point de vue intellectuel et au point de vue spirituel, puis t'as aidé nous prier pour ça qui arrive tout.
And to help the children to progress spiritually and intellectually.